Welcome to my video tutorial channel. Today I am going to discuss about pattern designing using C language. There are lots of patterns and basically using two loops, outer loop and inner loop. Basically nested loop is used here, and using nested loop different types of pattern may be generated. At first I am going to generate this type of pattern. There are total number of rows are 4 and columns are also 4. If user put 4 here, then this type of pattern will be generated. I am using Dev C++ as compiler, and at first attach two header files as include stdio.h, as include conio.h, int main int no, I and j. Three variables are required because user will put a value. That value will be stored into no, and I and j are two variables. Basically these variables will be used for loop, counter of loop. I will be used for outer loop and j will be used for inner loop. I am taking a value from the user, printf, enter a value, scanf %d address of no for I equals to 0. I am taking 1 year. I less than equals to no. So your loop will be continued for no times. I plus plus. This is outer loop, and I am using here inner loop, j equals to 1, j less than equals to no same times, and j plus plus, printf star. Okay, and outside of inner loop, one printf statement will be used to break the line. Okay, compile and run. Pattern 1. Suppose I am giving here 4, output is also 4 for 4 lines, and each line contains 3 stars. And basically the concept is this is your pattern. Outer loop generates number of lines, so whatever will be given into NO by the user, that value will be used in outer loop, I less than equals to NO. So if user put suppose 3, then this loop will continue for 3 times, and after checking the condition of outer loop, your control will come into inner loop, and inner loop also will rotate for same times because you have used here NO. So j is 1, j is initialized by 1, so condition will be 1 less than equals to NO. Suppose NO is 3, then I is 1, 1 less than equals to 3, condition is true, j equals to 1, j 1, 1 less than equals to 3. This loop also will rotate for 3 times. Okay, condition 1, this loop will rotate for 3 times, so 3 star will be displayed. Okay, and after completing this loop, immediately printf statement will be executed, and hence your cursor will come to new line. Again I plus plus will be done, I will be increased by 1, so it will be 2, 2 less than equals to 3, again the condition is true, inner loop will rotate for 3 times again. NO is 3, so 3 stars will be displayed again, line will be broken, again I plus plus, I will be 3, 3 less than equals to 3, condition is true again, so inner loop will be executed 3 times. Okay, printf backslash n, cursor will come at new line, and I plus plus, I will be 4, 4 less than equals to 3, condition is false, your program will be stopped, and you should return an integer value, since you have declared main as integer, and you can use getCH function to pause the execution. Suppose I am giving 3, output is 3. Okay.